Hey up! Welcome to A Up Cards and Crafts. Today I'm going to show you how to make this weave card using Cricut Design Space. First, you're going to need to open up a new page in Design Space. You're going to need a square, so if you open up the shapes, I always change the colour of mine to white. It just makes it easier to see what I'm doing. If you go to the top of the page, you'll be able to see that you can change the size. I'm doing a 6x6 card. So then go back into shapes and select the line in the top left hand corner. This is going to be your score line. Change the size of the score line to 6 inches. Then you need to rotate it 90 degrees and place it over the square. If you highlight both of the items, you can then choose center and then go to the bottom of the screen and select attach. So we're going to need another shape. So open up your shapes again and select another line. This time you're going to need to change it to basic cut. Change the size to 3 inches. Now you're going to need 11 of these. That's if you're wanting to do a 6x6 card. So go up to the top right hand corner and select plus. So highlight all the cut lines and select a line. You can click either top or bottom, it doesn't really make any difference. If you highlight all the lines and move them over to the square, make sure you have them where you want them. Then group all the lines together. Select a line and center horizontally. Go down to the bottom and select attach. You're now going to need another square, and the size of this one needs to be 1/2 inch by 7, and you're going to need 6 of these just to be on the safe side. Now you need to save the project and select make. This is a screen if you want to change the position of any of the pieces. Select continue. Once it's connected to Bluetooth, you can select material. You're going to need your scoring tool. So Cricut will measure the mat length and then check you're using the right tool. Once the checks have been done, the Cricut will then score and cut the card. So everything is now cut. So I've got the 6x6 piece of card with the cuts and the strips of card to do the weaving. So you can start from whichever side you want. And then the first piece goes under, then over, till you've got to the end. Then you start the next row, over, then under, over, then under. So you continue putting all the strips in till you reach the bottom of the card. Obviously, you can do the cuts in the card as long as you want. You'll just need to have more strips to do the weaving. I like the effect the basket weaving has given to the card. And it was so quick and easy to make as well. To secure the strips in place, just add a small blob of glue to the edges, along the sides and the bottom. That's all you need to do. So then you turn over and do the same on the other side. Once you've stuck all these sections down, you can then trim the sides. And I've laid this onto a piece of card, which is 6.25 by 6.25. Wasn't sure which die to use, so I decided to go with this zigzag die from Crafter's Companion. It's just to give a border along the skull line. Decorate it with a few embellishments. I've just got this flower, a few leaves and these couple of hearts. I'm not going to attach this to a card base yet or add a sentiment. I will do when I next need a card. I just need to add a few gems. I'm using this tray. It's what you use, do you know, when you do the diamond pictures? It's got little ridges along the bottom, so when you give it a shake, the gems seem to turn the right way up. I'm using a pickup tool to place the gems onto the card. It's got wax on one end, so the gems will stick to it. The point on the other end is to move the gems into position. Oops, forgot to put a gem in the centre of the flower. So there you have it. A quick and easy card with weave effect using Cricut Design Space. Which is your favourite? Let me know in the comments. I like the clean and simple looking of the white one, but also like the colour of the other. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Ta-ra!